Hey guys! Yes, Percy? Do you know what? Since it's 2019, do you know what this means? No, what? That this year, it's Thomas's 74th anniversary. What's. Oh my gosh! That's so exciting, eh, everyone? Oh, yes, Salty, it is! Yeah. Yeah. So when Thomas gets here, oh, here he comes. Oh, hello everyone. Hello, Thomas. All of us, we would just like to say, happy 74th anniversary. Aw, thanks everyone. You are all, you're all my good friends. I'm glad to have you all. And we're all glad to have you, Thomas. You're the #1 engine. And all your fans really love you and care about you. Yeah, and I care about all of you too. It's good to be friends. Happy 74th anniversary, Thomas the Tank Engine. You're the #1.